If you are looking for some inspiration for your drag own, or the drag lifestyle is what interests you, you're at the right place. Welcome to Inside 10s, Kings and Queens, and today we are talking about the 10 most famous drag queens around the world. Here are some hugely popular and influential drag queens on the circuit today, all of whom excel in different fields and have their particular brand of female alter ego, including high camp, comedy, low camp, or even pageant drag. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to Inside 10s, hit that bell icon, give this amazing video a thumbs up. Let's begin with our number 10, Konchita Wurst. Konchita is the newest drag queen who's taking the drag mainstream. After rising to fame in 2014 as the winner of the Eurovision Song Contest, Konchita has been going places. Her effortless and elegant drag queen pageant-style gowns and graceful appearance is rapidly being recognized and has become part of her signature style. Number 9. Willy Belle. Best known for her role as a transsexual Cherry Peck in Nip Tuck, Belle is also notorious for being the only contestant to ever be fired from RuPaul's Drag Race. Belle began acting age 20 and has a significant number of music credits under her belt. She has been a member of the band Transcontinental, which makes its debut in 2009 and smoothly used the publicity which stemmed from her disqualification from Drag Race to release her parody single Chowdown. Belle also performed as a backing dancer in the video for Rihanna's S&M. Number 8. Shangela Laquifa Wadley. Shangela, who's a drag queen singer extraordinaire, is famous for making hits with her songs Work in the true Hallelujah fashion. Shangela has been performing all over the USA and Europe for a decade now. Her stand-up is also very popular in America and has been featured in movies including the very famous Oscar-nominated movie A Star is Born, and has also appeared on the hit TV show Glee. Number 7. Trixie and Katya. Yes, we have a duo at number 7. Trixie and Katya both became a notable name in the drag circuit after a stellar win and becoming runner-up respectively in their seasons of Drag Race All-Stars. Both Bryans are quite the success on stage, and both kind of perform as comedians for their quirky drag style. They went viral with their hit show on YouTube, which kind of sets their drag apart as a unique concept and having a sense of humor. You can read all about them in their new book, Guide to Modern Womanhood. Number 6. Atrice Royale. The formidable Atrice Royale is a contestant in Series 4 of Drag Race. Born in California in the 1970s, Royale has been a female impersonator for over 20 years and did her first performance in drag as a dare. She does most of her work in Florida but is hopeful that she'll eventually perform in various locations around the world. She is also legally allowed to officiate at civil ceremonies and at weddings, which is set to prove an enormous asset to her career. Number 5. Alaska Thunderfuck. Alaska rose to fame as one of the favorite contestants on Season 5 of Drag Race and won the All-Stars Season 2, demanding to be taken seriously as a drag performer. She has been performing her hits from her critically acclaimed albums Anus and Pound Cake that did well on the Billboard charts. Number 4. Adore Delano. Adore appeared as a contestant on Series 6 of RuPaul's Drag Race and was a runaway star for the series. Despite not winning, she's won the fans' heart as they claimed her to be the favorite drag superstar contestant ever. Adore has incredible music, and she's also been a contestant on the hit reality competition show American Idol. She had a very successful tour of the nation following her success on RuPaul's Drag Race. Party! Number 3. Bianca Del Rio. Bianca Del Rio is the winner of 2014's RuPaul's Drag Race. She is 39 years old and was born in Louisiana and works as a stage and screen actor, costume designer, and comedian. Her love of acting began at school, during which time as Roy Haylock she began performing in and designing costumes for school plays. After leaving school, Haylock worked in Bloomingdale's in New York City and has also designed costumes for the New Orleans Opera. Del Rio is of Cuban and Honduran descent. Her film Hurricane Bianca was a box office success. Number 2. Courtney Act. While most drag queens hail from the US, Courtney is an icon to be born out of Australia. Courtney is indeed a queen most loved for her beauty and singing. Did you know she was on Australian Idol despite not winning? She made a pretty good impression to become a household name down under. She also stole the hearts of the UK citizens, winning the hit reality TV competition series Big Brother. Now, before we go on, be sure to subscribe to Inside Tens with the notifications on so you don't miss any of our amazing content. Well, here comes our top pick, as putting her anywhere else would be criminal. You simply can't miss out on this one. Here's our number 1, RuPaul Charles. Today's best pick is perhaps the best known modern day drag queen, RuPaul. Born RuPaul Andre Charles in San Diego, RuPaul has become a worldwide sensation in recent years thanks to the TV show RuPaul's Drag Race, which began in 2009 and which aims to find America's next drag superstar. RuPaul has been performing in drag since 1990s, and after struggling with poverty and drug addiction and sometime landed several record deals that kickstarted her career, since then she has released numerous hit records, including a duet with Elton John in 1994, and we all remember Supermodel, right? She's been featured in many movies, including the 1999 But I'm a Cheerleader. RuPaul is also a prominent gay rights activist. Which drag queen amazed you the most? Is it our number 1 spot RuPaul Charles because he's a gay activist? Or which one would you choose? Who else would you put on this list? Leave a comment below because your engagement is what keeps our curiosity going. Also, be sure to subscribe to Inside Tens and give this video a like. And if you're still curious about what's going on in the world, check out the 2 videos showing up on your screen right now. See you in the next video, okay?